Your morning boosts your motivation in 3 simple ways. Every morning presents a new opportunity, but how do you ensure you seize it? Start with inspirational quotes. Morning routine. Begin your day with a powerful quote. Let it be the first thing you see. Journaling. Reflect on its meaning. How does it resonate with you? Mobile alerts. Surround yourself with positivity. Set daily quote notifications. Vision board. Visualize your aspirations. Let quotes guide your journey. Elevate your spirit with motivational videos. Morning watch. Dedicate the first moments of your day to motivation. Playlist. Have a go-to list. Play it when you need that extra push. Share with friends. Motivation is contagious. Spread the energy. Background listening. Let motivation be your background score. You've got this. Empower yourself with encouraging messages. Message exchange. Exchange positivity. Build a circle of encouragement. Affirmations. Speak positivity into existence. Your words have power. Sticky notes. Leave yourself reminders. Little notes with big impacts. Digital reminders. Technology at its best. Schedule your doses of encouragement. Every day is a new chapter. Write it with motivation, encouragement, and positivity. Unlock your morning, unlock your potential. For more motivational content, subscribe to our channel. Share this video to spread positivity. Together we rise.